Hello student, how are you? I hope you all are in pink of health. Today I am going to start a new topic. It's a new chapter, that is electric current and its effect. So when I say we are going to start a new chapter, that is electric current, the first thing which will come into everyone's mind, the mind of the listener, that we are going to learn something about electricity, or electricity is involved in this particular topic. So let us start with that particular term only. What is electricity? Electricity is a generic name which we use to describe the flow of charge in a direction. Whenever a particular charge flows in a particular direction, then we call it electricity. So I hope you all have understood what electricity is. So what is the use of electricity in our life, or what is the importance of electricity in our life? Its importance is immense. In our society, wherever you go, whatever place you go, the use of electricity has its own importance. As an example, consider from a school. In your school, we have various components running on electricity. A fan, a computer, a printer, and even the mobile phone which we are using. It is also getting charged from this electricity only. When you go to hospital, there are certain devices, medical components, which are running on electricity only. When you go to the stations, you will find various things running on electricity. Even in fact, the vehicles now, they are also running on electricity only. So you can imagine what is the importance of it. So let us start. So since I have said you about electricity there, it is the flow of charge in a particular direction. I said that it is a generic name. So let me start. Electric current. What is electric current? It is the amount of flow of charge through a particular area in an unit time. When charge flows through a particular area, then we call it electric current. In short, when you divide the flow of charge by time, then you call it as electric current. Now, as I said you, electric current is the amount of flow of charge. The flow of charge, where will that charge flow? That means it will flow in a path. So we are going to discuss about the path in which the electric charge flows. So the path through which the electric charge or the electric current flows is known as electric circuit. Here it is written electric circuit. The path through which electric current flows is called electric circuit. Now, what is an example of electric circuit? The first question, before discussing about the example of electric circuit, I want to ask you, have you seen an electric circuit? I hope all of you have seen it, but might be you don't know that that particular thing is an example of electric circuit. You have seen electric circuit is present in everyone's home, those who have electricity. An example of electric circuit or a component of electric circuit is switch. A component of electric circuit is wire. A component of electric circuit is a bulb. So the connection which is present in your home, that is also an example of your electric circuit only. The connection which is given inside your home, what things does it consist of? It consists of a switch. For as an example, let me just say, you want to switch on a fan. What will you do at first? You need electricity to run the fan, first of all. Now, that electricity definition is already written here. It is the flow of charge. That means you need a charge to run that particular fan. Now, when to run that fan, what do you need to do? You need to switch, or you need to plug in the switch. You need to put the switch on. When you put the switch on, then that particular charge will flow through that particular wire. Now, if the charge is flowing in that particular wire, it is also flowing in a unit time. That means it is taking time to flow. So that is an example of your electric current, and that electric current is flowing through that particular wire. So this is what your electric circuit is. I hope you have understood what is electricity, you have understood what is electric current, and you have understood what is an electric circuit. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the components of electric circuit. So what are the components of electric circuit? So before that, let me again say the definition of electric circuit. What did I say about electric circuit? An electric circuit is a path through which electric current flows. So when this electric current will flow, it will require a path and it will flow to a particular component. So we are going to talk about those components. The first one is cell. So what is a cell? It is a device which stores chemical energy. When connected to a circuit, what it does? It converts chemical energy into electrical energy. So how will we denote the cell, or what will be the symbol of a cell? It is denoted by two vertical lines. One is a longer one is a shorter one. Now this longer one, it is a positive terminal, and the shorter one, it is a negative terminal. So a cell comprises of a positive terminal and a negative terminal. Then the next one is a battery. So what is this battery? When two or more cells are connected in a circuit, or we call it as a battery, or two or more cells combine to form a battery. So how to represent the battery? It is not much different, just only the vertical lines are going to increase. As I said you, two or more cells will constitute a battery. So here these are the two cells. So it is comprising the battery. The next one is electric bulb. I hope you all know about it. So how to denote that electric bulb? So this is the electric bulb. The next one is the connecting wire. What is the connecting wire? It is the path through which the electric current will flow. How do we denote a connecting wire? Usually by a straight line we denote a connecting wire. The next one, switch off and switch on. How to denote the switch off and switch on? This is switch off, and this is a switch on. So this is the way of denoting the components of electric circuit. There are some more components. As an example, fuse. Okay, when two wires will be connected to each other, it also has a different symbol. Then there is a fuse, then there is a resistor, and so on. You can get it in the book. So let us proceed to the next topic. Okay, so now our next topic is electrical circuits and diagrams. In this topic, we are going to discuss about the electrical circuit once again, and we are going to talk about the type of electrical circuit. So I have written the definition of electric circuit here. You can just copy it from the board. The path through which electric current flows is called electric circuit. It is the path through which the electric current is flowing. So a electric circuit may be closed or it may be open. That is, we have two types of electric circuit. One is a closed electric circuit, another one is a open electric circuit. I have just given the diagram of the open circuit and the closed circuit. In these two diagrams, if you just compare these two diagrams, what can you find? You can find most of the similarities only. This is a symbol of a bulb. Here bulb, both of these are bulb. These are the cells. Okay, combining it is composing the battery. Okay, this is an open switch and this is a closed switch. The difference lies here. In an open circuit, the flow of electric current is broken at any point. Okay, because in which part is that flow of electric current broken? It is in this switch part. The switch does that work. In an open circuit, the switch is off. That's why the symbol is given in this manner. In a closed circuit, in this part, the electric current is flowing from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. It is flowing through all the components which are connected in that electric circuit. Thus, it is constituting a closed circuit. But here the flow of electric current is restricted. That means it is restricted at any point. And this is what the difference between an open circuit and a closed circuit is. In an open circuit, the switch is off. Okay? And since the switch is off, what happens? It is restricting the flow of electric current in this circuit. That's why it is given the name open circuit. And in a closed circuit, the switch is on and it is constituting a continuous flow of electric current in this circuit. And thus, it is a diagram of a closed circuit. I hope you have understood the open circuit and the closed circuit. So in my next video, I am going to discuss about the heating effect of electric current, which we see in electric iron, electric toasters, etc. And we are going to discuss about electric power also. Thank you.